The iPhone 13 Pro inherits the refined design language from its predecessor, featuring a polished stainless steel frame and a ceramic shield front for superior scratch resistance. It boasts a premium feel and is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use. The IP68 water and dust resistance rating provides additional peace of mind, allowing you to use it worry-free in light rain or near splashes. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display on the iPhone 13 Pro is a true marvel. It delivers exceptional visuals with a high resolution, rich colors, and impressive brightness. Text appears incredibly sharp, and HDR content comes alive with stunning detail and contrast. The addition of a 120Hz refresh rate makes a significant difference in user experience. Scrolling and animations are noticeably smoother, creating a more fluid and responsive feel. At the heart of the iPhone 13 Pro lies the powerful A15 Bionic chip. This next-generation chip delivers a significant performance boost over its predecessor. Benchmarks showcase considerable improvements, making it one of the fastest smartphone processors on the market. Whether you're tackling demanding games, editing high-resolution photos and videos, or running professional-grade applications, the A15 Bionic chip handles it with ease. The camera system on the iPhone 13 Pro has undergone significant improvements, solidifying its position among the top smartphone cameras. The triple-lens rear camera system consists of a 12-megapixel main sensor with sensor shift stabilization, a 12-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The larger main sensor with sensor shift stabilization offers superior low-light performance, capturing clear and detailed photos even in challenging lighting conditions. The telephoto sensor now boasts a longer focal length, enabling you to capture high-quality zoomed-in photos without sacrificing detail. The autofocus capability on the ultra-wide sensor is a welcome addition, allowing you to take sharp and crisp close-up photos. Battery life is an aspect to consider. While not necessarily poor, the iPhone 13 Pro's battery life falls slightly short compared to its larger sibling, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. In conclusion, the iPhone 13 Pro emerges as a compelling option for users seeking a top-tier smartphone with a refined design, exceptional performance, a beautiful display, and a versatile camera system. It strikes a balance between power, portability, and camera prowess. If you prioritize a more compact, high-end phone and are willing to make a few compromises on battery life, the iPhone 13 Pro is an excellent choice.